Hello everyone, welcome to Da Manager. My name is Prudence. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install your WordPress using script. First, to do that, I'm going to log into my Cpanel account. So I will enter my domain name here. Okay, finance dev // Cpanel. Yeah, you can have more than one domain on your Cpanel account. They are all linked to one Cpanel. So when you enter any of them, yeah, you just put / Cpanel. It's going to take you to your Cpanel account. So as soon as you do that, it will take you to your login dashboard page. So this is my username, then the password. I'll enter my password, right click, paste, then login. Now this is my Cpanel dashboard. Now whatever you want to do here, whatever you want to install, whatever you want to create, you can either search for it here. Yeah, if I should click on email now, let's say for example I want to create an email, I can either search for it on the search bar here, or I can just navigate through the sidebar here. You have different, see your email, you can create email here, you have your database, you have your domain, your file manager. So you can either, or you can just navigate down your dashboard, you just navigate here, so you have them all here. So this is it. Now whenever you want to install a WordPress on your Cpanel, most times people use Softaculous. So now I about a case, on rare cases, yeah, you log into your Cpanel and you're not seeing Softaculous. What do? Do you get confused? Do you get frustrated? Or you blame it on your network providers? Yeah, trust me, I have been there before. But now, in this video, I'm going to show you an alternative to installing your WordPress without using Softaculous. So in this case now, if you check my Cpanel dashboard, you're not seeing Softaculous. Yeah. So the first time I did this, I was confused, like, what should I do? Yeah. How do I install my WordPress? Yeah. Now, the solution to that is a script. So you don't have to get, crazy, the script. So just click on the script. Yeah. Click on it. You see now, here you can install your Laravel, your Symfony, your WordPress. Just look at it here. So the same result you get when you use Softaculous and script, just different approaches, different, installation processes. So I'll click on install. Here, choose the domain name. I'll choose. So if you have more than one domain, you see them all here. So you're going to select the one you want to install your WordPress on. I'll click on this. Oh, no, let me not use that. I'll click on this. Yeah. So this directory, WP, remove this. Then enter your site title. Best electrician in Warri. Yeah. Then your site description, in few words, explain what your site is all about. So you can just put it here like electrical installation and repairs. Electrical installation and repair, yeah, repairs. Good. Then admin username. If you want to log into your WordPress dashboard to start customizing your WordPress, your website, to start building it, you will need a username and a password. So this is where you set it up. You can enter your username here. I'm going to use admin. Yeah, admin. Then your password. Ensure you use a very strong password. It's a necessity. So it's either you enter your password here, but if you want them to generate for you, just click on this key. They are going to generate. See, this is a very strong password. Nobody's going to think of this. So save this somewhere. So you enter your email address. So I'm just going to use support. You must have created an email. Support at connect.finance development. Okay. You can use any email anyways, but it's recommendable you use it's always recommended you use a business email. Connect dot okay dot finance dev finance development .com. Support. Okay. Now I'm going to click this, save it somewhere, copy. Okay, so language English, your database name and all that, database password. So I'll scroll down. Now here they have so many themes, free themes you can install on your WordPress. Nice. This is an e-commerce website, so you can select either of these, or you can just go straight to your installation process, scroll down, then click install. So I'm just going to click install. So you are about to confirmation, you are about to install WordPress. Please confirm this. This is everything here. I'll click on continue. The installation part you selected is not empty. This action will remove all files in the directory. Okay, continue. It's installing now. Yeah, there's a confirmation already. Installation was completed successfully. So this is how you install your WordPress via the script. So we can just go to open a new tab in our browser, then click on connect.finance development, enter the domain name you installed WordPress. So this is it. So if you want to log into your dashboard, you see now this is your website, because the reason it's showing blank is because I did not install any of those themes. So to log into your WordPress dashboard /wp -admin, click on this, demand for your username. I'm just gonna copy my password, then right click, paste, login. You see, like I said, the same results when you use script and Softaculous, just different installation approach. Okay, I hope this video was very useful, and I hope I succeeded in guiding you on how to install your WordPress in your Cpanel account using script. Thank you very much. Do not hesitate to drop a question if you have any, and do not hesitate to hit the like and the subscribe button. Thank you very much.